Okay, here we go. Unboxing of our toilet. Yeah. Now, I've taken out the toilet bowl and the water bit. I don't know what that's called. Water container. Anyway, that's the bowl. This number one, very flimsy, feels all plasticky and rubbishy. Need to replace it. Right, my next dilemma. Now, this I understand. Yeah, no problem. This is got to be fitted to the wall. Now, I think these people's got some funny thing going on about whether you open packaging now. The instructions in there, also the fitting parts. Now, if I don't open this, how am I going to know I've got the parts? And if the parts are missing, what am I to do? That's my argument I'm going to give them. Same again with that. Do I need anything in there? Do I need to buy anything? Is there anything missing? I need to know. It's got measurements and all kind of things. But what we do, got ourselves a nice little Stanley blade and we cut from there. We don't want to mark our toilet at all. Straight down the middle, and then we're going to lift the plastic up and cut. We don't want to scrape it. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, this is where we're at. I should have done that when I was doing all this, innit? Never mind. See, taking the plastic all nice and neat, so if you've got to put it back on, you can. It sits straight back in there. Alright, same with that. Undo the top end, slide it down, lift that out. Cut your cable tight. That's the lid. I haven't opened that yet. No, there's no opening to be done. It's just wrapped in a bit of cardboard. There you are. That fits straight on top of there. Just like that. Alright, this bit here, that's where it flushes. So that's got to be fitted into there. Something like that. Or from the underside. Well, this nut is what holds it in place. That one, yeah? And this is where you press your buttons to flush. This washer, big washer, sits just in there. So that will sit in there like that. I'm gonna open the bag in a minute and do it all. These are to screw it to the floor, is it? I'll figure it out in a minute. Probably. I don't know, they don't look like self-tapper screws. Nut and bolt. These are probably to bolt it to here. Nut and bolt in it. Self-tappers is going to wall plugs. This, probably where the water comes in, which is down in the corner there. And those two holes are these two, and the round seal. So that goes on there, which I'll do in a minute. What else we have? We have this bit here, which goes down the center of there, just like that. Water comes in. When you press your button, it presses that one, or it presses that one. I think. Yeah. But there's thread there. There's a nut there. That's got to be screwed onto something, so it's got to be there. Because it can't be there, can it? Here we go. So that goes there. Our lid goes on, like that. These two long rods, I don't know how they go, but they should go in there some way, somehow. We'll figure that out. We'll have a look at our instruction. And this goes, I'm just guessing at the moment, yeah, so you have to work with me. Don't take it as gospel right now. But the size of that looks like it goes into that hole, and that's where your pipe attaches itself to. Come on, girl, get in there. Hey, oh, stop it. Yeah, that goes in there just like that, yeah? So we're gonna put this lot together the best we can and see what happens from there, okay?